This morning, I noticed something. Welcome back to Tam's Tips. A quick little thing that we just noticed, and I've heard of this before, inside of those little duckies that you can put inside the bath, if there's a hole in it that water can get in, and you squeeze the water out sometimes, did you know that it can get mold inside of there? Let me show you.
Well, here's one of our favorite duckies. I took the liberty of cutting it in half with my bandsaw, and here's the inside. You ready?
Oh, disgusting. Ew. Oh my heck, it looks like a chocolate jam or something was put in there.
So that can't be good.
No, and this is one of the duckies that we got at the mall in a machine. You pay $1 and the arm goes down and picks up the duck and stuff. And show the bottom how it has a hole.
Oh yeah.
So it has a hole so water gets in there. So disgusting. So
I'm disgusting. Throw me away.
Ugh. So just a tip. Throw those away. Here's another one that we had. It was a bigger rubber ducky. We were gonna get rid of it because I could see that there was black inside. I knew there was mold. So I had Craig cut the head off too so we could see what was inside. And so here's a picture of that one. Get rid of them. Pay attention to what's inside of them. Maybe you could use it for like a week or two, but I've had that for much longer. And just a tip, get rid of it.